Hello and welcome to this short video on how to store the database on a different hard drive. Before we begin, I'd like to remind you that if you have an existing database and wish to move it to a new hard drive, please make sure to create a backup first. We'll show you how to do this in the video. If you don't have any patience in your iQView yet, you can skip this step. First, open your File Explorer and navigate to the drive where the database is currently stored. By default, this is located on the C drive. There, you will find a folder named View Database. This folder contains your database. To create a backup, right-click on the folder, select Copy, and paste it, for example, to your desktop as a safe copy. Next, cut the View Database folder and paste it onto the desired drive. In my example, I'll be moving it to the E drive. Simply paste the database there to complete this step. Now, open iQView and navigate to the local settings. Open these settings and select Server Administration. On the left-hand side, click on Server. Here, you'll find the storage locations for the image box and the database. You can now update these paths as needed. To do this, click on the three dots at the end of the database file line. Navigate to the new location of the database and click OK. After clicking OK, the database will be read, and all your studies should now be visible again in iQView. Any new studies will also be automatically stored on the new hard drive. I would like to briefly address the path of the image box. You might find that the system performs a bit faster if the database is stored on an SSD while the image box remains on an HDD, rather than having both the database and images on the HDD. However, if your SSD has enough space, you can also store both on the SSD. With that, you are essentially done. You can close the server administration and save the changes by clicking Save Settings. Thank you for your attention. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our support team at image-systems.biz.